Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get or create API key in Google AI Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to aistudio.google.com and then sign into your account. You should be signed in. Then from there, now above your profile name, it says get API key. So go ahead and click on to get API key. Now on the top right hand corner, we've got the option to create an API key. So go ahead and click on API key. Then we can name your key if you like and choose an imported project. So let me do this. So I'm going to choose weight loss and I'm just going to call this weight loss. If I can spell correctly. Okay, then from here, click on create key and that's going to go ahead and create a new key inside of Google AI Studio. And then once you've done it, it's going to be here. So API key, weight loss. This is where my API key is. And we can just go ahead and click on copy API key and you can paste that into whatever project you're working on.